So our wish to be close to our Lama can be physical, can be mental, it can be aspirational, all three. But it doesn't mean physically we need to be close. It means from here, very close. Alright? So when the Dakinis are ringing the bell and Vajra and walking away, let me borrow your Vajra and bell. And by the way, the bell is too small. You guys should have bigger ones because you're men, your hands are big, it's difficult to manipulate and use. It should be much bigger. Where's the Vajra? No Vajra. Oh, actually, no, the Dakinis, they don't need to carry. No, they don't need. It's just a ritual. So this should be bigger actually. I was telling Malam, should get bigger ones, mark it and put it away so we can do this puja all the time. Then we have the equipment, all right? Now, doing the ritual, if you drop it, very inauspicious. It's a very bad sign. So when you practice, you have to focus because the dancing is a part of the meditation of awareness. If you're normally not aware, then you're going to drop everything. So doing the ritual in cage, if you're doing it and suddenly you drop, what do? The Dakini bends over and picks it up. Doesn't look good. Alright? So sometimes what we do is we can tie a string here from here to here. We can tie a string. But if you tie a string and it brings your awareness away, it's not good either. Okay, sometimes you can tie a string here, a red string from here, and then tie from here when you practice. Because the whole time you're holding Vajra bell. When the Dakini is leaving the prayer hall, the Dakini is leaving, right? It's quick, it's direct. He dances out, the Dakini dances out, showing that no hard feelings. And then when the Dakini leaves very quick and very fast. Very fast.